So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I feel like it's been the longest time since I've sat down to make a video. I feel like it's been at least like 3-4 months since I've done this. So I'm so sorry for the absence, but there was a lot going on the side. So I'm back here for good, and we're gonna get back started with our reviews. So a product which I received and I've been kind of like taken by surprise that it is so good. And you know me, I'm a sucker for lip balms and anything which is like glossy and all those kind of things. And I just started using this product, and oh my, I have been like in love with it. Not sponsored video, I'm not paid to talk about this. The brand sent this to me for an Instagram video, and I'm done with my deliverable. But then like I just felt like I have to make a YouTube video because I felt like you should know about this product. So today we're going to be talking about the Mars tinted lip balms. I'm going to leave the name as well as the price and the quantity over here for you. So these come in 8 different shades. I've tried all of the 8 shades. I've used around 2 shades in kind of like a very prolonged period of time, like wearing it for an entire day. So I have a good idea about how this product works. So let me tell you more about it. So before I jump into the lip and hand swatches, let's talk about product packaging. So these come in a plastic tube, and they're also color coded, which makes it easy for you to pick out the right color that you want to try. And these are like retractable type. So you get around this much. I would have used the most tiniest amount. So approximately you get this much product, and retractable, it works pretty well. So let's talk about the pigmentation of these. So these are pretty pigmented. The lighter colors, you will see a little bit of your natural lip darkness, but the deeper colors, they're like super opaque. You will not see any of your dark patches on the lips. Now these are staining in nature. So these are more of like your lip stain formulations, but initially it goes on like a lip balm, plus it's hydrating. Now, I think the concept came from the Korean beauty market, and then eventually Rare Beauty got into it. A lot of other brands like Dior, everyone has started doing the same thing. So these have kind of taken the market, and the same thing is coming back in India. And I'm really glad that there's an Indian brand who's making something like this. So these are like a lip balm. You can apply it like a lip balm. And once that balminess goes away, like maybe with 3-4 hours in case you're not eating, and if you eat immediately, it is going to vanish completely. So once that happens, the balm part of it goes away, but you're left with a stain, and I absolutely love the stain. And the stain is very long wearing. Even on pigmented lips like mine, the stain is long wearing. I really like that about these. Definitely try them out if you're looking for an affordable lip stain which is easily accessible with a good color range that suits Indian skin tone. So I really like these for that. And coming to the hydration part of it, I would say that these are not like your perfect lip balms, like which are made like, let's say, the Laneige lip balm, right? They're not going to be healing your lips, or they're not going to be like a long-term wearing kind of product, but these are pretty balmy in consistency, and they are hydrating to an extent. Not on a very dry lip. It's not going to heal your lip, but it's much more comfortable than wearing a regular lipstick. And it'll also give you the stain, which makes it a lot more wearable without having a line in the middle. So that's about the pigmentation as well as the formulation of the product. So let's just go ahead and let me just show you how it works. So here's shade number 1, Passion Fruit. It's kind of like a warm tone neutral, more of a pinky corally tint which is there with the neutral base, and I think it's super comfortable, and it covers up any kind of darkness on my lips too. So as you can see right now, I have the shade 02 Pomegranate on. It literally smells like a pomegranate. It is just stunning. It's a blue toned red. This would suit all skin tones. It's beautiful. It's such an amazing color, and it gives you like the most opaque finish. You can't see any darkness on the lip, and you do not need a lip liner to use these two. So here's 03 Dragon Fruit. It's like the perfect plum toned kind of a color. It has a bit of purple in that too. Beautiful color, very bold kind of a color. It's fun, and wait till you see the stain that this one leaves. I've been trying this one out because this is the darkest shade in the entire range, and this covers all the pigmentation and everything on the lip. So now we have the shade 04 Pink Guava, which is a purple tone mauve, and this would look great on light to medium skin tones as well as the tan skin tones. So now we have the shade 05 Grapefruit, which is like a very burnt red kind of a color with a bit of peachiness in it. I don't know why, but I'm seeing a peachy undertone. That could also be because of my natural lip color. I absolutely like the color which it leaves because it doesn't look like as if you've applied a lipstick, but it gives you this red tint with a brownish mix in that. It's just amazing. I love the way this color looks on me. So here's the shade 06 Cocoa for you. It's like a warm neutral brown, and I have a feeling that this brown will work across even the medium to deeper skin tones too. So I feel like this is such a beautiful shade. It's the perfect neutral shade for my skin tone. Here we have the shade 07 Lichi, which literally smells like lychees, and this kind of gives you this reddish pink kind of a color. It is a pink, but it has that deepenedness in pink, which makes it look more of a red toned pink. So now we have the shade 08 Watermelon, and just to its name, it smells just like one, and it also looks like one. The red is just as the way it looks like in a watermelon. It's kind of like a very neutral toned red with that hint of pinkishness in that. Not as a pink lipstick, it's a red lipstick though. Beautiful color. This will work amazing on all skin tones. So this shade needs layering and then it's good to go. I'm going to drop the hand swatches for you right now to take a look at. That way you'll have a side-by-side comparison of every shade. So I hope you found this video helpful, and give me a big thumbs up if you did, and drop down your comments on which was your favorite shade and which one you're planning to get. So I'll see you later. Until next time. Bye-bye.